In today's video, we will be mastering iPhone gestures and shortcuts that will take your iPhone user experience to the next level. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Let's get started. Section 1. Basic iPhone gesture. First, let's cover some basic iPhone gestures. These are fundamental to navigating your iPhone effectively and efficiently. To go to the home screen from any app, you can simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen. For example, I open this app, then I want to go to the home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This gesture works on all iPhone without a home button. You can also swipe down for notification. To check your notification, you can swipe down from the top left corner of your screen, and this will open the notification center where you can view, interact with, and clear your notification. Control center access. To access the control centers, you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can manage various settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness here. Section 2. App switcher and multitasking. Now that we cover basic gesture, let's move on to app switching and multitasking. To access the app switcher, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause briefly in the middle. This will display all your open apps, allowing you to switch between them with ease. To close an app, you can swipe it up and off the screen in the app switcher. This will remove it from your list of open apps. Section 3. Advanced gesture and shortcut. Next, let's dive into some more advanced gesture and shortcut to enhance your iPhone experience. Reachability. To enable reachability, go to Setting and then select Accessibility. Then you can select Touch, and then you can turn on the reachability setting or feature. Now you can swipe down at the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top half of the screen down to make it easier to access with one hand. We try to disable the reachability. To compare it, I'm going to disable it. Then I'm trying to swipe down at the bottom edge of the screen. It not bring the top half of the screen down because the reachability feature is turned off. So you know the difference, right? We try to turn it on again, the reachability, and then we can try again to swipe down. Now, as you can see, you see the difference, right? Okay, we move to the next is back gesture. To go back within an app or web page, you can simply swipe from left to right on the screen. This gesture is quick alternative to tapping the back button. Text editing. To move the cursor within a text field, you can tap and hold on the text. For example, I'm going open the keyboard, and then I'm already typed the text. Then to edit the text and to move the cursor within a text field, you can tap and hold on the text. Then you can drag the cursor to the desired location. To select text, you can double tap on text and you can drag the selection handles here. And there you have it. These essential iPhone gestures and shortcuts will help you to navigate your iPhone like a pro. Don't forget to practice and incorporate them into your daily iPhone usage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, you can leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!